Imagine this, you are a business analyst at a fast growing retailer company and it's time to prepare your quarterly report. Your manager asks you to identify the top performing products, pinpoint trends in sales, and provide actionable insights to help shape the next business strategy. However, you are staring at a massive data set with hundreds of products, sales, figures across multiple regions, and various time frames. This question is, where do you even begin from? Let's face it, with so much data, trying to pull out meaningful insights can feel like searching for a needle, haystack. But here's the good news. Tableau's powerful filters and sorting features are exactly what you need to take the overwhelming data and turn it into something actionable and designable. Whether you are looking to focus on top selling products in a specific region or highlight the trends that matters most, Tableau has got you covered. For example, imagine you need to find out which products are driving the most sales in North America this quarter. Rather than manually shifting through each product, you can easily filter for the region and then sort your products by sales volume, highlighting the top performers. With just few clicks, you will have a clear actionable view of what's working and where your business is excelling going. Hi, I am Ansh from KnowHow Academy. In this video, we will cover the following key topics here. First, we're gonna cover understanding filters in Tableau, like how to isolate and focus on key data points. Then we see sorting your data for clear insights, like techniques to order your data by importance. By then, we gonna see combining filters and sorting, like how to work with both to enhance your analysis. And at last, we gonna see real life example, like we will walk through practical use case of filters and sorting. So by that, you're gonna understand whole your sorting and filtering. So let's start with the beginning. What we have is understanding filters in Tableau. Let's start it. So our first step is, what are filters? That's the basic question. Let's find out. So filter in Tableau are like a magnifying glass for your data. They let you zoom in on the information that matters most to your analysis. Let's start by applying basic filter to your Superstore dataset. So if I show you, that's my Superstore dataset. Exactly. I go to my sheet one here, that's a go to the worksheet. So where should I include so much category, city, whatever I need, measurable values like discount, profit, quantity. With that, our second step is applying a basic filters. What you need to do is, we gonna say, like, let's say we want to focus only on furniture and products. Okay, in products, I need to just focus on furniture. What we need to do is just, we need to drag the category field to the filter shelf. I'll take my category field to the filter shelf. Okay, once it's done, I'll go and select furniture from the list and click on OK. That's it. Just with that, I had clicking it. Now, if I take furniture that to the rows, it show me and take my category to the filters and click on only. That's OK. And click on sales to the column. See, it will only show me the sales value here, not anything. Now you are looking onto the data related to furniture. This allows you to show focus on one product category while leaving the rest of the data out of the picture. If you want to enhance more, I'll take my sales to text. So in furniture category, I have a sales of 7,42,000 here. Now our third is adding multiple filters. Now let's narrow it down even further. We will filter by sales here. Now what we need to is, now we need to drag the sales field to the filter shelf. I'll take my sales field to the filter shelf, and in that I need to condition here to show only sales greater than $500. So I'll take it as if I say like not more than, only greater than $500. If I say I don't want some, I want average. Okay, I click on next, and average, I'll say condition like not greater than at least. That's it. Okay. See, if I go here, edit filters, click on office and technologies, click on OK. It will show me now average of sales now. With that sorting, it's been so interesting. Now you have a data only for furniture broadcast, or if I can say we have data of furniture, office supply and technology, and with their average mean. And we have just isolated the key data point that will help us make better decision. Now the second is sorting your data for clear insights. Our step one frame here is in your mind is first let's understand what is sorting. Sorting is like organizing your data into a meaningful order, helping you spot trends, outliers, and areas that need attention more. So, what we need to do is step two in that we need to sort by sales. Now, let's sort our data by sales to highlight the highest performing products. What we need to do is we need to click on the sales header in the view and the tables or chart. If I say here, if I take somewhere my sales here and click on it and I need to sort it down, I'll take my categories to here. So in categories, I'll show as my categories in filter. So I'll do it by making it more easier. I'll take it as ascending. See by sales, see by sales, it's gonna be ascend by descending order here. Now our step 3 is sorting by multiple dimensions. Let's add a second layer of sorting. We will sort first by region and then by sales with each region. So what we need to do is I'll take it back everything now. So what we need to do, cancel. Just drag region to the row shelf. I'll take my region here, region to row shelf here. Now I got my region like central, east, south and west. Now click on sales again and choose sort. I'll click my sales. I take my sales here in the columns. I take it as a bar chart now. I make it as now select descending with each region. So my region is there. I'll take it as descending order. Now you can see my each region is now descending. Now you can see how each region perform within the furniture category. This is how sorting with multiple dimension work. Let's dive in deeper into the data. What third here comes in combining filters and sorting for enhanced analysis. Our step one is combining filter and sorting. Let's now combine what we have learned. We will filter the data by furniture and sales above 500, then sort by region and sales. You should now have a table that shows only high selling furniture products sorted by region and sales here. So you can see I had region and sales, it's above $500. I already set in that, and everything from there to now I got tables full of sorting and filtering here. If I take my category to the filters and click on furniture as OK and see the then we take categories to region. So like I'll go and edit. So okay, so it will show me only the furniture sales by region which is below $500 with the sales region by sales in furniture sites only. That will refine my data. So my second step is refining the view. To make this clear, let us use a bar chart, and we already had a bar chart, so there is no need to do that. These visual represent will now show the furniture product by region. So it will region and with the highest sales product highlighted at the, so that's my highlight sales at the west side, and the furniture category it's 2,52,000 something. So look at how combining filter and sorting brings out the story behind the numbers. It's clear way to understand which region and products are most profitable here. So our fourth come is real world examples of using filter and sorting. So analyzing regional sales is like imagine your store manager and you need to focus on the top performing region for furniture. Filter will help you isolate the key region while sorting will reveal the products driving the most sales in each region. So second is identifying low performing products. It's like alternatively, let's say you are looking for furniture products with poor sales performance. You can filter to see only low sales values and sort them to pinpoint which product need more attention. With this, you have a clear insights that how you're going to sort and how you're going to filter your data based on your performance. Let's see what we have covered in this video. We understand filters in Tableau, then we sort our data for clear insight. After that, we combine filters and sorting for more data storytelling. And at last, we saw real world example. With that, you can able to tell your own story with your data and help you analyze your shopkeepers trends and your business analysis trends over the time. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of IT knowledge. We always here to help you and navigate you to the tech world.